Okay, in this question, you look at this word ellipse. Ellipse in Chinese 椭圓形啊. So the equation like that. Suppose a be a positive number. You see that we can have some very special points. We know their coordinates, including this one and that one. This is A, this is B. So this is negative B, negative A. Y, you just put, let's say we want to find this one, x-intercept, just put y equals 0. This one, put x equals 0, y-intercept. Okay, to prove the volume of the solid, okay, how? Just think about what is the way of revolution. It's revolved about y-axis, so everything should be in function in y. So we just write x squared as the subject. It is right enough. Then the range of y, that means the limit, the lower limit here should be negative b, and the upper limit here is given negative b minus h. And you see there is some meaning on h. H actually means the depth of water inside the solid, okay? And it's useful in the following part. So I guess you have no problem by using integration to achieve the result here. Okay, part B. Now, it is given that this one is a cross-section of hemisphere, right? This is a hemispherical bowl, and the radius is 2 units, right? So-called inner radius. That means from the center to the surface is 2 units. Contain water of the depth of 2K here, 2K, that's depth of water. Now by A, find the volumes of water inside this bowl. The result in part A involve the symbol A, B, and H. H, you know that the depth, right? How about A and B? Okay, just place this figure in the XY plane, and this is the origin. So this is yes, hemisphere, the part of a circle, right? But actually this is also a shape of a so-called ellipse, right? So you may think about this one and that one, the so-called A and B here, A and B. Here A, of course, and this is of course negative B. And now this is a given hemisphere. So from the origin to this position is the radius. Also from origin and to this position also radius. So both A and so-called B is 2 units. So that means this is 2. This is also 2. So actually this here is negative 2. So we have enough information. Just put A, B equals 2 and H equal to given 2K. Okay, now part B2. The object, this one, is generated by rotating, revolving this ellipse about y-axis. And then the object is lowered vertically by certain unit, 3/4K. And as a result, the water level rises by these units. So this lower by unit, and then the water level rise by certain unit. Okay, so you see the situation. I teach you how to realize the case. Now you just think about this line as a reference, right? Original water level. Now the new water level is here, the red line, and the new position of the ellipse, something like that, and it is lower by certain unit. How to measure? Well, just use a originally this point, right? The lowest point of the ellipse is now lower by 3/4K. You just use this as a reference line, a sea level, right? Lower. So here. So now, by how much, what is the depth here, that this object is immersed, right? Immersed in the water, and that is can you calculate the length, the distance here? I guess no difficulty. The way of solving this equation part B now, part B2, find the value of K, right? So first of all, you need to show the volume of the immersed part is this, right? To show this, so how to show this? So this part. So I just I've applied the result here. But the problem is, can you find out so-called A, B, and H in this case? H is actually no problem. We have found this. How about A, B? Look back to the equation here. So what is A, what is B? Please compare the equation in part A, right? You will see something. And then finally, how to solve for K? Just think about that. This region, right? The volume of this region, of course not this region, but the volume of the solid generated by this region, right, is equal to the water volume add up with the volume of the object so-called immersed in the water. So this is a hint of solving the value of K.